Divide minus 5x power of 5 plus 7x power 4 plus 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 10x minus 7 is divided by x minus 1. I've decided to do this example using the long division. So we will put here x minus 1, and to this side we will write the polynomial. Now to find the first term, we need to ask ourselves the question, x multiplied by what will give me minus 5x power of 5? The answer is minus 5x power of 4. Now the same like the normal division, we will multiply minus 5x power of 4 by x minus 1. The result will be minus 5x power of 5 plus 5x 4. Same like what we do with the division, now we will flip the signs of the terms. So here it was minus, it will become plus, and here it's plus, it will become minus. Now we will adding those two, it will cancel out. 7 minus 5 is 2x power of 4, and we will drop the rest of the terms without any change. Now we will ask ourselves the question, x multiplied by what will give me 2x power of 4? The answer is 2x cubed. Now we will multiply 2x cubed by x minus 1. The result will be 2x power 4, then 2x cubed multiplied by 1 will give 2x cubed, plus times minus is minus. Now to subtract, we will flip the signs of those two terms. So 2x4 minus 2x4 will cancel out. 2x cubed plus 2x cubed, it will give 4x cubed, and we will drop all the other terms without any change. Now x multiplied by what will give me 4x cubed? The answer is 4x squared. Now we will multiply 4x squared by x minus 1. It will be 4x cubed minus 4x squared. Flipping the signs of those two terms, this one will be minus, this one will be plus, so those two will cancel out. Minus 7x squared plus 4x squared, the result will be minus 3x squared, and then those two terms will be dropped down without any change. Minus 3x squared is equal to x times what? The answer is minus 3x. So minus 3x times x minus 1 is minus 3x squared plus 3x. Now we will flip the signs. This will be plus and this one will be minus. Here those two will cross out. Plus 10x minus 3x is 7x, and we have here minus 7. X multiplied by what will give me 7x? The answer is 7. Multiplying now 7 by x minus 1, it will be 7x minus 7. Flipping the signs of the terms because we have to subtract. 7x minus 7x will cross out. Minus 7 plus 7 will cross out, and the result is 0. So this one is the remainder, and when the remainder is 0, we conclude that this term here multiplied by this term here is equal to the main polynomial. So this implies x minus 1 is a factor for this given polynomial.